peanut fried steak with a yogurt turmeric gravy.
Tell me how yogurt gravy is made and why is it so good?
Next, I'm making a peanut fried steak with a yogurt turmeric gravy. So first I'm gonna make the gravy. This is called curry. So I'm whisking up some yogurt and some water. I'm adding some chickpea flour to help thicken it. And then for some flavoring, I've got some serrano pepper and ginger. So whisk that all together, and then I grab a saucepan, and in there I'm sizzling some mustard seeds, cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds, some curry leaves, and a little bit of turmeric. And once that's all fragrant and dancing around in the pan, then I pour in that yogurt mixture and let it gently come to a boil and thicken. And that's it, that's the entire gravy. So my theory is that we have the word curry from the dish curry, because curry means gravy. So I leave the curry just to sit and rest while I start on the steak. I'm using cube steak. It's super tender already, but I'm gonna take it one step further. I'm bathing it in a baking soda solution, water, baking soda, and salt. Whisk that together, put the steaks in there, and just let it sit for about 15 minutes. It's a Chinese technique called velveting, and it's gonna even tenderize that meat a little bit more. The dredge is pretty classic. I've got one bowl with just plain flour, one bowl with buttermilk and an egg to act as the glue. And then the final step, where all the flavor is this traditional Indian peanut chutney, combined with flour and cornstarch and baking powder. It's peanuts and garlic and chilies and cumin and curry leaves, and it is so addictive. I love it.
Aarti Sequeira is about ready to show us some crunchy chicken. What is this again?
It's a peanut fried steak. I've got 2 huge cast iron skillets with vegetable oil. I want it to be about 350 degrees. And then we dredge. So steak goes into the flour, then into the milk mixture, and then finally into that peanut chutney flour mixture. And then it goes straight into the oil. It only takes a couple of minutes on each side. Then I put it onto a wire rack in a baking sheet, hit it with a little bit of salt, and that's it. I slice up one of the steaks and then drape some of that gravy right over the top.
This is yogurt gravy?
Yeah.
Yogurt gravy, and it gets its color from the
turmeric. Yep.
She made this chicken fried steak with this peanut crunch, and she served it with yogurt gravy. Delicious. And all of her normal, Aarti spices, but it was delicious.